Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to set up V2Ray Slow DNS on ZiVPN VPN using the UDP custom website. I'll guide you step by step to ensure you get a smooth and secure connection. Plus, I'll also show you how to set up your very own V2Ray Slow DNS server, so make sure to stick around till the end. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. All right, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP custom homepage, locate the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also called a hamburger icon. It's usually in the top corner of the page. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. Once you click, it will take you to the server selection page. Here, choose a server location of your choice. After selecting, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Now, enter a username. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Now, copy only the V2Ray VMess details because we'll need them later. Keep them saved in your clipboard. Now, let's set up ZiVPN. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZiVPN and press enter. Once you see ZiVPN in the search results, click on it. Tap the install button and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. Now, let's configure V2Ray inside ZiVPN. 1. On the home screen, check the box for V2Ray to activate the setting. 2. Tap the settings icon, gear symbol at the top. 3. From the drop-down menu, select V2Ray. For a new page will open, click the small plus button at the top. 5. This will automatically import your V2Ray server from the clipboard. 6. Once the server is successfully imported, go back to the home screen. 7. Click the Start button to connect to the internet. And that's it. You have successfully set up your V2Ray VMess server on ZiVPN VPN. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.